Deputy Assistant Secretary for Public Affairs here at the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Here at the Department of Health and Human Services, we create some of the most innovative, compelling messages that the American public receives. These messages include, improving health status, things we can do to have healthier well-being, improve their health, well-being, and lives. And at the same time, there's a process that we go through here at the Department of Health and Human Services to create these messages. The process was created in 1986, before the internet, before email actually, and it's very much based on a paper-based methods of educating the public. Today, we have all sorts of digital, social media, a whole new approach and ways to reach the public. And this system that's been in place since '86, we've sort of modified, tinkered with it, but really it has not evolved with communications technology and the best ways to reach our target audience. We're putting together a project here at HHS to really look at outcomes and strategic use of communications, traditional and non-traditional communications channels, to reach the public with our messages. We're really trying to take a look at how we do product development, communications product development, in terms of bold goals and outcome measures. How can we create a whole new system here at HHS that turns the current process, which is really process-oriented, from a system based on paper, based on books and paper, to a new system that's based on outcomes, goals, measuring our success, making mid-course corrections, and being able to report on the outcomes of our good work in communications. The ideal person for this particular project would be somebody who has had experience in implementing large-scale technological and cultural change in an organization. This is a process that has been embedded in the Department of Health and Human Services bureaucracy for the past 30-plus years. We're looking at creating a whole new way of operationalizing the way we develop our communications products. So as a result, we're going to be looking at helping people understand the new process, why we're changing, how it ultimately benefits the end customer, meaning the American public, as well as our ability to document the success of our efforts, to revise our efforts if they aren't achieving the goals that we've set forth, and at the same time, bring a whole new level of engagement across the department for the development of communications products.